Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Kandivli's one of the most luxurious and spacious project in Kandivli East. So here I bring you close to the nature and peace where in this fast moving world it is very difficult to get a project like that. Connectivity wise, if I tell you, this project is only 500 meters from the Akurli metro station and hardly 3 kilometers from the Kandivli railway station. Nearby, if you see, we have the Ran International School available here. Lokhandwala Foundation School is there and Thakur Public School is there. If you want to go out with your family to enjoy, so we have the Growers Mall nearby, which is hardly 500 meters from our project. The Vishnu Shivam Mall is there and the Annex Mall is there. Coming to our project, it is spread out on a 7.75 acres of land parcel with only 6 towers in it. All the towers are of ground plus 40 floors only. So here I am coming up with 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK spacious and luxury, which comes with a spacious carpet area. My amenities are spread over around 2.6 acres of land parcel, out of which 1.6 acres is spread on podium level and 2 acres is spread on the mother earth. 40% is only the infrastructure and 60% is all my amenities on out of the total land parcel. I have 40 plus amenities in our project. You name it and I have it. So here I show you our 3 BHK, which is of 1062 square feet. So when you enter, you have a foyer area on the right hand side where you can create a small glimpse of yourself while entering the house. Then when you enter, you come towards your living and dining area, which is of 275 square feet. It is a very spacious living and dining area in which the dining area you can make it of 6-seater dining table and still you can easily walk around. Moving towards your living area, you can see we have purposely kept the furniture in which your sofa set and everything, after putting it, then also you can move around easily, and on the left hand side you have your TV compartment as well. Moving towards the balcony, it is a spacious balcony of 30 square feet where you can easily put 2 to 3 chairs and sit around and enjoy your evening tea with a beautiful sunset or the Sanjay Gandhi National Park view. Then I'll take you towards our kitchen, which is when you enter on the left hand side. You enter, you see you'll have 2 parallel platforms in which 4 to 5 people can easily move around. Also, we have given you a sliding window for the air ventilation. A separate space has been given for your refrigerator and your washing machine and dishwasher. Then I'll take you towards our first bedroom. So once you enter towards your living and dining, on the right hand side you will have your bedroom, which is your bedroom of 133 square feet. In this, if you see, there is a niche area which is given for your wardrobe. So your wardrobe goes inside and you have pretty space to move around. Here also we have given you a sliding. So for cross ventilation, it will be easy. Then once you come out of your bedroom, on the opposite side, you have your washroom, which is a common washroom, which is of 33 square feet. All the bathroom fittings will be done and given up with same to same as it is shown in the video. Then I'll take you towards our first master bedroom. So here you'll have 2 master bedrooms. This is one of the master bedrooms, which is of 195 square feet, includes the balcony. So here also we have given you a balcony of 30 square feet. It is a spacious balcony as you're living, and the sliding will be given. Then bedroom comes with the attached washroom, which is of 33 square feet each. The washroom will be as it is as shown in the video. It is will be given with all the bathroom fittings. Then I'll take you toward your second master bedroom. So this you can use as your kids' bedroom. So on the left hand side you have your washroom. Here also the washroom is completely done up with same as shown in the video, with the flooring as well as the bathroom fittings. Then you enter towards your bedroom. So here we have shown 2 beds. So you can see how spacious it is, because after keeping both the beds, you can still easily move around. In the master bedroom, we have also given you a sliding window for cross ventilation. So fresh air will be there in the master bedroom as well. Then here also cupboard space you will have, and you can see as shown in the video. So this is a luxury 3 BHK apartment of 1062 carpet area. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any doubts. Please contact to our contact details given below.